Okay, as promised, this is the Who's Next Lifehouse collection discs 1 through 6. You can see the first disc is Who's Next, the original album. Then there's 2 discs of the Lifehouse demos, part 1 and part 2. There's the Record Plant New York sessions. There's Olympic Sound Studios London sessions. And then there's disc 6, which has singles and sessions on it. I'm just going to open this up to let you take a look at it, what it looks like inside. So you can see there's disc 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Anyhow, those are all CDs, so compact discs, all music and stuff. Anyhow, really cool packaging, really cool writing and stuff like that. Anyhow, so I'll open the next one next.